guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will be unboxing the gaming controller that I just got for my gaming PC. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. And if you're also interested in the other unboxing videos that I have done, I have added the links in the description box below if you want to check them out. So without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing. So the controller that I got is this easy SMX Gamer's Choice controller for mainly for Switch, but you can also use it for PC. So this is the box, and I got this from Amazon for around $20-something. So let's open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so now let's go down to my desk, and I'm excited to try this out and play some games now.
Three, two, one, let's go! Jump! 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 Jump!
Okay, so that was me testing the controller by playing Fall Guys, and so far everything has been smooth and I had no issues with the controls and navigating, and I think it's really nice because it's not as stiff as the other controllers that I have been using, and also it's not as heavy, so I won't get tired holding it on a long period of time. So I think overall this is really affordable and really nice, and also the design is really cute, which really goes with my theme, so I'm really happy so far with it. The only thing that is a bit of a concern for me, is that I wish they have a longer cable for the PC, because sometimes like I would like to move around my PC and my PC is just really over that side, so I wish it was just a little bit longer. But I could always find another cord that's longer for this, but I really wish that they made the cord longer, and that's the only concern that I have, but it's not really a major issue for now. Okay, so that's it from my unboxing and review for this controller. I hope you enjoyed watching, and please hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you're new to this channel, please check out my other videos as well, and please subscribe if you like the content of my vlogs. Thank you so much.